Let's start to pour the 42 ml sugarcane extract. This is used as a solvent to dissolve with the fragrance oil and the water to mix or blend them easily. Now press the tare button to reset the scale to 0, then pour 6 ml fragrance oil. Press the tare button again to reset it, then add 12 ml distilled water that you can buy online or at any convenience store near you. It's over the intended volume, but that's okay. Stir it slowly to avoid cloudy mixture until it's clear and mixed well. Now get the pump spray bottle and pour the mixture to your container. You can also make your own label at home by using a paper sticker, laminating film, and a laminating machine if you'd like to have a waterproof sticker. All these materials are available online through Lazada and Shopee. You may check the links in the description box below. Now it's time to use your poop spray before and after you use the bathroom. Just spritz it 3 times and never let the bad smell embarrass you whenever and wherever you use the throne.